Welcome to this MOOC course on Abhidhamma. Today we are going to discuss about an introduction to the Patthana Prakarana. The main objective of this module is threefold. Brief introduction of the Patthana Prakarana, the etymology, definition and meaning of the term Patthana, and the nature and place of the text Patthana in the Abhidhamma Pitaka. This module is divided into two parts. In the first part, we will introduce the text Patthana Prakarana in a brief manner, and the second part discusses the etymology, nature, content and importance of the same text. Now we are going to discuss about the Patthana Prakarana text. The Patthana is the seventh book of Abhidhamma Pitaka. It is closely related with Dhamma Sangani. The immense work is a study of conditionality and so appears to have grown out of the last section of the original Abhidhamma. In the Dhamma Sangani, it is noted that all the principles which occur in each of the classes except extension are originated through conditions. The Patthana then undertakes to give a full account of this conditional origination. It does not, however, concern itself with the old sequence of conditions which have been sufficiently discussed in the Vibhanga. Its subject is the nature of the conditional relations itself. The Vibhanga has anticipated to a very small extent, but the Patthana is exhaustive. It is not confined to the special case of the sequence of the conditions in transmigration, but aims to give a general theory covering all kinds of conditional or causal relation. The book also shows that the Dhammas are not isolated entities, but in reality it constitutes a cosmos in which the smallest unit condition the rest of it and is also being conditioned in return. Thus, the task of this book is that of an astronomer who aspires to comprehend the entire cosmos of the stars and planets as making a unity of system. And for this very reason, the intricacies of its arrangement that is highly thorough and complete are difficult to be grasped without a sound mastery over the subject. The book deals with 22 thick Matikas and 100 Dukh Matikas of Dhammasangani, that is all the ultimate realities, both singly and in combinations, with reference to the 24 conditions to show how the causes and their effects are related in the methods of the Four Noble Truths and dependent origination. Only the manifested causes and effects are considered, but in this text the forces that bring about the relations between the causes and the effects are also taken into account. And it is with these forces that this subject is primarily concerned. And etymology, we are going to discuss about the etymology and definition of the term Patthana. Rhys Davids in the Pali English Dictionary states that the word Patthana is derived from pa plus tha. Pa means tithati with short base, tha for titha meaning to stand fast or firmly. Thus, Patthana literally means setting forth, putting forward. It does not occur in pre-Buddhist literature. It has not been found in the Nikayas in the concrete primary sense or in any connection except this. The medieval use of the word in the Sanskrit form was in the sense of starting off, going away, departure. It is the title of the most often quoted book in the Abhidhamma, and there means probably origins, starting points, as it gives under 24 types of relations. In one passage of a 5th century commentary, the Abhidhamma Pitaka as a whole is said to be Samat Patthana, having for giving the setting on foot the point of departure of all things. Childers and Rhys Davids gave the word as a neuter, than, literally a station or place, may be defined as that things in which or that event by which the fruit or the effect is established. Tittati phalam eth etanati va thanam. Hence it comes to mean the cause by which an effect is occasioned. The intensive prefix pa has the sense of padhana, meaning predominance or preeminence. The term Patthana therefore means the principal or preeminent cause among the causes. Padhanam thanam ti Patthanam. From the above definition of the Patthana, the great book called Patthana Pakarana must be understood as a treating of only principal causes. In the Sumangal Bilasani, the commentary of Digh Nikaya, the term Patthana has been interpreted in the sense of presence. Patithati asmimti Patthanam. Again, the term expresses the sense of arousing, making alert and functioning, etc. Upathati okanditva pakadintva patharitva pavatatiti atho. Again, the term Patthana means a sound base for making right efforts for gradually removing the layers of pollutions and realization of a state of eternal bliss. Padhanam thanam ti Patthanam. In the Abhidhammath Vibhavani Tika, the term Patthana has been defined as Patithati Patthanam. Here, pa is a prefix and tha is a root. Pa is in the sense of leaping, springing, pakdandan. The leaping dhammas in the objects are called as Patthana. Here, tha means placing right next to or right in front of. The meaning of the word Patthana may be seen also in another way. In it, pa signifies the sense of prefix. Than means relation, pachaya. In this way, the book in which many types of relations, pachayas, have been described may be called as Patthana Pakarana. In the Vibhanga Mulatika, the commentator Buddha Ghosh has stated the meaning of pa in the sense of Patthana word as pa saddo arambham ज्योतेति आरंभो च पवत्तति कत्वा आह पवत्तति यति बत्तबो ति अथो. The meaning of the word Pathan and its origin may be seen in another way also. In this sequence, the meaning of the word Pathan is to divide, vibhajan athena Pathanam. By this, the Patthana word means to understand by analyzing, especially. In this way, the book in which Kusala, Akusala and Abhyakat Dhammas have been described with the help of 24 types of relations is called as Patthana. The other meaning of Pathan is in the sense of Patith. The word Patith signifies the movement or speed. Like cows move freely in the field, in the same way, the book in which description of the real Dhammas are available easily is called Patthana. In the background of these meanings, it can be said that book in which there is an analytical description of the reals is called Patthana. The great book Patthana is itself styled as Anantanay Samant Patthana because in it all principal causes drawn from all directions meet in the form of causal law of infinite applicability. Lady Shadow also expresses that the great book Patthana arranges conditions things under various types of relations, describes and teaches them.